guys, in this video I want to be creating the surface below the headlight, the front headlight, to 5 to have more control on it. As you can see, we have here curve, and I can use a curve. I want slightly, little by little. To finish it up with the surface, I'm gonna duplicate, just creating the theoretical surface, so then we can project the headlight. And I'm taking the other point of the curve. And with this done, I can now use my square tool to create more straight. It would be better, but to begin with, it's really good. So that's all for this surface. I hope you find it useful, and see you in the next one. Hello guys, in this video I want to be creating the surface below the headlight, the front headlight.